Hello everyone, this is my Loveable project. I have run this here, so we have to run the terminal. So run in the terminal we have go so this is the terminal. So new terminal, I click here, and when you this code download from the GitHub, firstly you have to install npm run dev or npm, or you can use the install npm run dev. When you click here, so this does not showing, you have no so how to install npm. So here's the npm install and npm and how to run npm, and you search here, you can get there is npm install, then npm modules, and comes there npm run start. Okay, npm run start. So we have to clear npm run start. Sorry, npm is not supported here, so we can copy path, and we have run the commander. So in our here cd LoveableProject access npm run start npm run dev. Yes, npm run dev. I have partially hit this access. Now it should open. So sorry, Control C, localhost 8000. So new tab, localhost 8000. Okay, sorry, localhost, sorry, 80. So this is our application, what I made from the Loveable. When you the control you can say this is the Loveable project. When you updated any code here from the like here, this is the website Loveable. So where is Loveable, where I want to change there, custom code. So all scenes, and when you access here and debug the code, update automatically updated. We have updated here. this bit the white is working here, so that is why it is working fine. So firstly you have to click it, the npm run npm install, then npm can run dev. When you want to run this code working in your Loveable, then you have to make the another command, npm run build, npm run build, then it's working fine here. Okay, thank you.